Everybody, welcome back to Big Crypto here. Time for some big XRP news. Now, I've trolled YouTube and I've trolled Twitter and I can't find this news. This is big for XRP and absolutely follows the narrative we've been talking about, that XRP is ready for a big move. Now, a lot of people are telling us XRP has been disappointing. We're going to break down exactly why that's not the case in this video. So if you're bullish on XRP and you want to see more content like this, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. And with that being said, let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. Now, a $1.65 trillion market. We actually got a very nice run on BTC earlier, broke about 44,700, over a 10 million liquidations on short trades. Very interesting. Has pulled back a little bit, 2.4 though up on the day, which is good news. Now, you also see some significant move with XRP. Now, we did flip BNB earlier. You can see there we're $125 million away from flipping BNB. Is this potentially coming very soon? And could this be the last time that that ever happens? You can see we're up in terms of market cap at 36.1 billion, but our volume is slightly down. So what is everyone saying? Well, ultimately, this is kind of a typical article that we see. XRP, one of the 5 worst performing cryptos this year. The reality is we've had some very bullish news on XRP, but the price hasn't sustained. Why? That's the big question that's on everyone's mind. And ultimately, what we know is that people got in at a low price. When things pump, people are selling off. What you do go, and it's a common thing in the cryptocurrency space, is people buy green candles. It's kind of crazy to think about, but XRP has just been building in the background. And what we're going to see with XRP is a fundamental shift in ultimately what people believe it can do, and more importantly, what it's aiming its audience at. Currently, retail is moving the market. We know that retail investors are buying into cryptocurrency. We are still awaiting institutional money to come in. XRP, however, setting itself up with partnerships, with build outs with the XRPL. They are setting themselves up for when this institutional money does come in, it stops with XRP. Very interesting. Now, you might be thinking, okay, 2-bit, that's fine. How do you know this? Well, when you start to look into what's going on in the background, you absolutely can start to put 2 and 2 together. So Uphold enters the XRP custody scene. What does this ultimately mean? So we do know this massive partnership with XRP is incredibly important for Uphold. Likewise for XRP, it's an incredibly good tool to have. Now, in terms of this custody seat, what does it mean? A cryptocurrency trading platform Uphold has entered the XRP custody scene with the launch of the Uphold Vault. Uphold announces on its official X page, confirming the new custody service is a self-assisted custody solution that will guarantee bank-grade protections for users around the clock. Think about that. Bank-grade protection for users around the clock. Where is Ripple positioning itself for? Institutional investment. What do they want? Absolute and unequivocal security when it comes to investing. Why? Because they're going to be putting huge amounts of money into this space. Ultimately, it says here, the Uphold Vault product is designed as a one-stop shop to meet the needs of its users. The exchange said Uphold Vault users can access the benefits of a self-custody and access to instant trading. Among the features offered by the new custody service in its assisted key replacement feature for an added layer of security. Per its designs, Uphold Vault comes with 3 keys, 2 of which are made available to the account owner, while the platform safeguards the 3rd one. Irrespective of this structure, Uphold never controls anything that relates to the user's account, to model the core ethos of a custody solutions provider. The concept of not your keys, not your crypto became prominent with the collapse of FTX derivatives exchange last year. The advocacy of self-custodial solutions grew, and centralized platforms have been making sharp pivot to disrupt this service. Binance also recently launched its Web3 wallet for the same reason as Uphold. So this is a big deal for anyone using XRP, anyone wanting to get into XRP, whether you be retail or, like we think, institutional investors. I think it's very, very important. Now, if you're looking to buy XRP, or you may even be looking to trade it, I've partnered up with BingX, a fantastic platform that offers fantastic rates and brilliant prizes for their platform. Now, you can trade all your favorite futures as well as do your spots, but they currently have a Super X trading championship over $1 million in USDT to be won. There is a link in the description that you can click and come over and sign up. They're also offering $50 free if you sign up and deposit $50 as well using the link down in the description. Great platform, lots of cryptocurrencies to trade, fantastic leverage opportunities you can do. Check out BingX by using the link down in the description 100%. So finally, what do we want to talk about? Well, what else is going on with XRP? Well, ultimately, we see a buyback of over 700 million XRP. Why do we see that? Well, in recent days, we've seen much speculation as to whether XRP price is being manipulated and what forces could be behind it. Now, renewed cryptocurrency XRP community member Mr. Huber has made an interesting discovery. According to him, it sees Ripple has bought back 700 million tokens in an effort to stabilize the XRP price. Now, there's always going to be a debate of whether the teams are doing it and ultimately whether they're preparing to pay for something, or more importantly, they are locking some of these tokens away. So check this out. XRP has lost literally all the extra gains it made against the general crypto market since the ruling and legal clarity. All of it, really, but somehow it doesn't want to drop lower than the ratio. Look at the reaction if XRP wants to fall even lower than before ruling, and it wants so big time, Huber remarked on X. So ultimately, this bounce off from that. Now, a lot of people do kind of say, well, that was it. It was a big pump and dump. Again, think about this. This is ultimately strategizing for the future, getting ready for institutional investment. Ripple are going down a different path here. This isn't your average cryptocurrency. And I think people do need to understand that. It's very different, in my opinion. And I think it's going to be one of those coins that ultimately, eventually, people will not be able to buy in whole numbers. So what's going on with the price? Well, here we go. We saw a nice rally today up for XRP, running from 6,409 right the way up and topping at 6,714, up about 4.5%. Again, trending better than the market. Now, we talked about it here, breaking out of this downward trend with the reversal signal as well and starting to really move. What we are seeing is a widening in the shorter term. EMA has given us a short term movement in terms of price increase, but likewise on the longer term, we're seeing exactly the same. So this could be a very strong sign for XRP. We know the weekends tend to be pretty good for us on a Sunday, so we're going to keep very, very close to this. But right now, looking at this 6,707 range, if we see a break above, we might actually be moving back to this local high, this higher range of the 6.9s. And like I said in my video the other day, potentially even retesting at the 7,199 level. So definitely some key indicators coming up for XRP. That volume starting to increase as well, which is always a good sign, but lots more to come, I think, with XRP. But let me know in the comments down below, what's your opinion of this price move? Why are we not seeing XRP move? Or do you think it's just a matter of time? And as ever, if you want to see more content like this, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.